Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 30 Fusion. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, enter Google Wallet, select Add to Wallet and focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transit Pass and select Transit Pass you'd like to add to your Google Wallet account. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card and select card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Select Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear right here on the homepage of Google Wallet app. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.